Circuit training has been around a long time. The military have been using it for many decades, and it was a really popular fitness class in gyms in the 80s and 90s. It's still a really smart and practical way to get fit and indeed stay fit for people of all ages and fitness levels. I'm Ash Radford, personal trainer, and in this video I'll explain why circuit training is such a smart and practical way to get fit. It's time effective. There's very little rest between exercises, and if you were to do, say, 30-second stations with 12 different exercises and allow 10 seconds to change between stations, in 24 minutes you'd have done 3 total circuits comprising of 36 total sets. Now that is really time effective. The second point is it can be both comprehensive and really versatile. So you could make it purely cardiovascular by doing exercises such as star jumps, running on the spot and skipping. Or you could set up a circuit purely for strength by including exercises like push-ups and squats and other strength movements. But where I think it's most worthwhile is where you combine strength, cardio, stability, all in the one circuit session. So for example, you could start with an upper body strengthening exercise such as push-ups, move on to a cardio exercise like star jumps, then do a lower body strengthening exercise like squats, and follow that with a stability exercise like a lying abdominal movement. So you'd be getting decent rest between working body parts and energy systems. You'd also have a nice high level of exertion throughout the workout and be burning plenty of calories. So circuits can also be really adaptable to whatever equipment you've got, and you can include things like balance, power, speed, and agility. It's varied and interesting. So while continuous or repetitive exercise can be really valuable, it can also be really monotonous. So in that example I gave before with 30-second stations and 12 different exercises and doing 3 circuits, within that 24 minutes there's a lot of variety which keeps it really stimulating. There's also the advantage of lowered injury risk through the cross-training effect. So what this means is you're not overloading one joint for an extended period of time or one muscle group, and there's not that continuous impact. So this is really clever and an important way of making exercise sustainable through that reduced injury risk. You can also mix it up with the duration of the stations. So rather than 30 seconds, you can do 45 or 20, alter the rest period, change the order of exercises, of course, and of course things like the location and the terrain. I tend to use circuit training within personal training sessions for all those reasons. It's just so varied. I can adapt it, I can change it, I can keep it interesting, I can use it for different fitness levels and in different conditions and with different pieces of equipment. Circuit training, it's been around a long time and there's good reason. It's really effective and really smart. For more insights on how to feel, function and perform better, have a look at my blog at transformmindbodyfitness.com/blog. See you next time.